In the last video, we printed text on the screen. That was fun, but that was not real programming yet. Real programming starts when the computer remembers things. Today I'll show you how Python stores data, what variables actually are, and how memory works visually. This video will change how you see code forever. Let me ask you a simple question. If I ask you, what is your age? You don't calculate it every time. You remember it. A variable is exactly that. A variable is a name that points to data stored in memory. No magic, no complications. Let's code. I'll create a file called episode2.py. In this, I will define age equal to 25. And we would like to print age. This does not mean age equals 25 like mathematics. It means store the value 25 somewhere in memory and attach the name age to it. Let's run the program. Python remembered the value, that's memory. Let me show you what just happened inside the computer. The variable age is not the box. Age is just a label pointing to it, and the box is memory. This is why programmers say variables reference values. Now let's change the value and let's make it to 26. If we run the program again, you will see Python did not update the old box. It created a new value and moved the label. We can visualize this using this diagram. The old box remains same and the label is assigned to a new box having the value 26. This is why Python is safe and powerful. Now, let's build a real mini program. We will define name is Abhishek, age is 30, city is Delhi, and we will print name age I will explain you later in this course why I am writing the print statements the way I am. For now, try to keep up with the exercise. So now, this is no longer a demo. This is how applications, websites, automation scripts store and use data. Let's try and rerun this program. You can see that name, age, and city are printed exactly from the values we defined in the variables. I would also like to emphasize that Python is case sensitive. In this regard, age and age with a capital A are different. Computers are dumb and very strict. Programmers must be precise. Python follows 3 rules: read code top to bottom, look up variable names, fetch value from the memory. If it can't find the label, it crashes. Crashes are not bad, they're feedback. Here is a mini challenge for you. Pause the video and do this. Create variables for your name, your age, and your goal. Then print a sentence like, my name is your name, and I want to your goal. Type it yourself, do not copy. In the next episode, we will talk about different types of data, numbers versus text, and why Python treats them differently. This is where bugs are born and where great programmers are made. Don't worry, I will also tell you what bugs are. If this finally made variables clear, like the video, in episode 3, we will go deeper. Thank you. See you.